Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bidya, the freelance makeup artist. Today's challenge, I'm not going to use any brushes. I'll be just using my magical hands. Whenever I do these kind of challenges, I get little nervous because I don't know how it will turn up. Yeah, forget it. I don't want to think about it. Let me just dive into the action, because if I think more, then I might get totally nervous and screw up the entire look. So let me begin the tutorial. So the first thing is foundation. I've already prepped my skin like always. I'm going to apply the foundation using only my fingers, like this portion, as you can see. And thank God I haven't applied those nails in this side. I don't know how to work it out with this nail. It will be very difficult. Okay. Oh my God. Let's get dirty. So I'm going to just dab this like a beauty blender, tapping my face. You know, this is a nice challenge for us to know, like, what if all of a sudden the brushes, all the brushes that we have in this planet gets vanished. What if? Yeah? Can we use our hands then? We will find it out. I mean, like, don't take it otherwise, guys. Okay. Sentence with double meaning. So guys, I think I'm done. It looks pretty okay to me. Now time to put some powder. I'm not going to use compact powder because I don't know how to put it. I'm going to use loose powder for today. So I'm going to use this powder. Oh my God, how I will dust this off. So I'm going to do my brows. Oh, it's pretty challenging, yeah? I'm going to put products over here on the tip of my finger. And then I'll just dab it. Crushing just by it though. Oh my God. I thought I'll not messed up this side, but I want to just, you know, correct this area a little bit using some concealer, liquid concealer. Okay, I just want to remove this loose powder. Making such a mess. I have to do it with using my fingers. So this brow looks pretty decent for now. I will do the same thing on the other side. So I have done both my brows now. It looks pretty thick, and the shape also, it's pretty like it's not like how I usually do. To contour, and I'm going to use this cream based product because I guess if I use powder base it will be really difficult for me to blend. So I'll just use this. Go this, and I will go here. So far so good. It's going fine. And the nose. I think I'm going to use this shade from here. Let's see how that works. So I'm going to take a little bit of this over here. It's not coming. Yeah, here like this. And there's this placing in the corner. Seriously? I can do it. Now I'll do the other side as well. Also this yellow shade. Yeah. Darjeeling is done. I'm going to just soften it edges using the same pink shade on the bottom. Tiny bit of it onto my hand and just dab it and clean up those messed up area. Done. Oh yeah, I was just wondering why I'm looking so pale. Yeah, so blush is missing. This side. Let me just apply the liner and the lashes into it. So liner is done. I'm going to apply my lip pencil. The pencil is done. I'm going to apply some lip shade. This one is Wild Nectar, which is metallic from MAC. Color is done. And this is how it's looking. Now the last thing is a little bit of glow on the face. I'm going to apply a little bit of highlight in the corner, just a little bit. I love it. Seriously, can't believe everything is done using only the hands. And lastly, I'll just spray. I'm bleaching my lashes for today. I'm seriously bleaching my lashes. So if you like this tutorial, do like the like button and do subscribe to my channel, guys. So this is the look of today, no brushes challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will be back soon with another interesting video. Thank you. Bye bye.